Look, you don't lack motivation. You just let your brain talk you out of doing hard things. Your brain is hardwired to keep you comfortable, safe, and lazy. If you want to control your mind instead of letting it control you, you don't need a 3-hour meditation routine. You just need a 5-second cheat code. Scientists call it activation energy, but let's call it the 5-second bypass. Whenever you feel that internal resistance, like knowing you need to study, hit the gym, or close that Reels tab, your brain has a 5-second window. If you don't move within 5 seconds, your brain will flood you with excuses. I'll do it tomorrow, or I'm too tired. To bypass this, you count backward. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and physically move. Why does this work 99% of the time? Because counting backward forces your prefrontal cortex, the decision-making part of your brain, to wake up and take the wheel. It interrupts the loop of overthinking. But here's the secret sauce. You have to pair it with the just 5 minutes rule. Tell your brain, I'm just going to open the book for 5 minutes. Once you start, the friction disappears and momentum takes over. Stop waiting for the perfect mood. The mood follows the action, not the other way around. Next time you're stuck in a scrolling loop, try it. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Stand up. Control the first 5 seconds, and you control your day. Try it right now, and drop a comment if it worked for you.